Okay, let's talk about this interesting instrument, the Wimelf 88 Keys Foldable Electronic Organ Keyboard. Right off the bat, the most striking thing is that it's an 88-key keyboard that actually folds up. That's a game changer for portability. It's designed with quality, environmentally friendly materials, a mix of ABS and metal, which gives it a solid feel while keeping it surprisingly lightweight at just 2,500 grams. This means you can genuinely pick it up, pop it in the included bag, and take it pretty much anywhere you want to play. Having 88 standard touch keys is crucial, especially for beginners who want to get used to the feel of a full-size piano layout. It doesn't skimp on features either. You get a massive library of sounds and rhythms to play with, 128 different tones, 128 rhythms, and even 21 built-in demo songs to listen to or play along with. This variety keeps things interesting and helps explore different musical styles. Connectivity is modern and practical. It supports Bluetooth, which is great for connecting wirelessly to your phone or tablet, maybe for learning apps or playing along with tracks. There's also a USB interface for other connections. Audio-wise, it has built-in dual speakers, which are convenient for playing out loud. But if you need to practice quietly, there's support for external headphones, and you can also connect it to external speakers if you want more volume or better sound quality. The interface itself is described as rich and practical, making it easy to navigate through all the tones and rhythms. The creative folding design isn't just for carrying. It also makes storage incredibly easy. When you're done playing, it folds down neatly, taking up much less space than a traditional keyboard. This instrument is really positioned as an ideal tool for piano beginners. The combination of a full 88-key layout, portability, and a wide range of features like tones, rhythms, and connectivity is designed to make the learning process simpler and, importantly, more interesting. It seems like a really smart choice for someone just starting out or anyone who wants the flexibility to practice or play wherever they are without needing a large, permanent setup. It's presented as the perfect instrument for those taking their first steps in piano or pursuing their musical interests on the go. The white color gives it a clean, modern look too.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.